we're here at Blanco Canada with Edyta Drutis, Director of Marketing of Blanco Canada, and she's going to tell us about some of the main features that they have in their new product launches.
So the biggest story for Blanco in 2019 is our brand new concrete gray color. This color is very special to us as we manufacture it right here in Toronto at our Silgranit manufacturing facility. So we created a beautiful experience space about this color that really highlights the raw beauty and functionality of our Silgranit material. We are also showing here at the booth brand new products and different shapes of our sinks as our new faucets. So this is our Icon 33 1 3/4 low divide sink. It's brand new shape for us, addition to our Icon farmhouse sinks family. It is double bowl functionality with a very low sink divide, which makes the sink very spacious in use and as well as very functional. So Icon 27 is also our brand new sink. It has 27-inch width, so it's actually very small. However, it provides this beautiful farmhouse look, so for small kitchen spaces.
Yes.
This is our Blanco Posh faucet. It is new finish for us in 2019. We brought full white and full anthracite. It's really perfect for minimalistic trends. Our brand new Quattro Ergon sink, it has an ergonomic inside ledge that helps the accessories to sit lower inside the sink. It comes with this beautiful ash cutting board, and you can use this sink also with coriander or those brand new sink rails that you can rest a hot pot or dishcloths over the rails, and they are also removable, and you can use them on your counter or you can stack them. They're very convenient accessories.
Thank you so much, Edyta, for showing us around all these great new creative products, and I personally look forward to using them with clients. And I think you wanted to say something about
Thank you so
that.
much for coming, and for more information please visit us at blancocanada.com, and also please visit our social media channels: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and so much more. Thank you.